Hey guys, sometimes when you're using VI, you might find it, well, how to say it, not good. I mean, it does the job, but there are other better options out there. So let's just talk about two of these options. The first option I want to talk about is VIM or VI improved. VIM adds on to the features of VI. Here are some cool features, like it has syntax highlighting and support for popular programming languages like Python, Perl, etc. It can be used to edit files using network protocols. It has multi-level undo and redos. You can split the screen for editing multiple files. And it includes a built-in diff for comparing files. There are many other features, but let's install Vim on our system for now. So open up your terminal window and type in sudo apt get install Vim. What this command does is sudo tells the system that the following command needs to be run as an administrator. apt get will get the package from Ubuntu repository. For users of Red Hat Linux, they'll use yum instead of apt get. So they'll replace apt get with yum. So they'll type the command like this. But because we are on Ubuntu, let's type in apt get. Now install will tell the system what to do with the package. So we want to install it, that's why we said install, and then finally the package name. So if we hit enter here, it will build some dependencies, and then it says it's found the new package that needs to be installed called Vim. It says the archive had 1152 bytes, but once it downloads it and installs it, it will consume 2852 kilobytes of additional disk space, and then it prepares to unpacks and sets up Vim for us. Once we've installed Vim, we can straight away use it by typing in vim space file name that we want to edit. So vim space sample.txt will open up the sample.txt file for us to edit. Most of the commands for saving the file, save as, quit without saying, etc. will be similar to VI. So we can just use escape :q exclamation mark to edit without saving. And if you noticed, in a sample.txt file there was no highlighting or anything else. So let's open up a script file to show the difference between VI and Vim. So if I type in vim space myscript.sh, I can see that the text for my bash script was highlighted. So the comments were highlighted or colored in light blue. The keywords were highlighted in yellow. The variables are colored in blue color. So it's just better if you're programming in any programming language. Vim is better than VI because it just makes your life easier. Now let's talk about Nano. Nano has a pseudo graphical interface. Therefore, it is less daunting for new users because you don't have to remember so many keywords. And it has most of its shortcuts listed at the bottom of the window, making it extremely simple to use. It has many other functions like search and replace, go to line, automatic indentation, etc. So now let's install Nano on our machine. So to install Nano is simple. We just replace Vim with Nano on our command. And the install log shows that it's trying to install Nano. It's finished. So once it's finished, we can edit a file using Nano simply like this. And it also has highlighted our syntax, but the color is different. So in Vim it used yellow for our keywords. Here it's green, but doesn't matter, it's highlighted. Now a good thing about Nano is that all the shortcuts are listed at the bottom, and you can get more shortcuts by typing in Ctrl G, because Control G open up the help window, so you can get other stuff like undo last operation, redo the last undone operation, etc. And you can use Control P for previous line, etc. So we'll just close out of the help page by typing in Control X. We'll make some changes. And we'll try and exit out of this file. So if we hit Control X again, it says save modified buffer. So basically if I type in yes, it will save the changes I've done. If I type in no, it will not save those changes. So let's type yes for now. Now it says what file I want to write the changes to. So it says myscript.sh. I could change the file and it will be like a save as. So it'll save in a different file. So if I hit here and I do an ls, and I can cat my script file, and we can see that it's made our changes. Now let's do nano again. Now to search for something or search and replace something in nano, we can type in control and slash, so /. It says search to replace. So let's replace downloads, and we want to replace it with documents. So rather than listing all the files in downloads, it will list all the files in documents folder. And if I hit enter here, it asks me for a confirmation. I can do yes to replace a single instance, and I can do all to if it found multiple things matching the pattern that I put in, I can do all and it'll replace everything. So if I type in yes here, we can say it's made the change and changed downloads to documents. So we can type Control X now, says save modified buffer. If I go nope and try and cat it, I can see because we chose not to save the buffer, or we chose not to override our file, it's not done our changes. With this, we've come to the end of this lecture. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.